I've always been terrified of speaking up on behalf of diversity, which to me means a state of inclusion, a choice to be aware of the vast and profound range of identities in this world, including your own. I've been terrified because I grew up in a country without many visible Asian Americans in the culture, and I learned to hate every part of myself that felt foreign and strange. Unfortunately, years later, that is a problem that many young Asian Americans continue to face. How do you understand yourself in a diverse country that actively chooses to ignore your particular kind of diversity? At one point during my 20s, I took a long, dramatic look in the mirror and realized you will be Korean for the rest of your life. As a teenager growing up in the Midwest, that thought made me cringe. Now it makes me happy and deeply proud. My dream now as a 30-year-old is for our country to become a place where a cameo like mine would go completely unnoticed, and to see every third grade teacher tell his or her students, keep your name. You don't have to change a thing. Which theme statement, is best supported by the anecdotes shared in Hello, My Name Is? Asian Americans should be encouraged to embrace and celebrate their identities in America. Asian American actors are increasing their presence in the entertainment and media industry. Asian Americans should expect to experience difficulties during childhood with accepting their identities. Asian American actors continue to be denied opportunities in the media because of their Asian identities. Question 12. How do Kim's childhood anecdotes contribute to the development of the ideas in the text? They encourage readers to celebrate the diversity of their peers. They emphasize how Kim felt ashamed of his identity and rejected it. They show how difficult it can be to adjust to a new school and make friends. They depict the strained relationship that Kim had with his family while growing up. Question 13. Read the following anecdote from the text. At the dinner table, I committed the two worst sins a Korean son could possibly commit. I stopped speaking Korean, and I stopped eating Korean food. My parents would try to talk to me over a bowl of kimchi stew, and I would pout and ask, in English, if we could order meat lovers pizza pie from Pizza Hut. For my 11th birthday, my mom made me my favorite Korean dish, ojang un bokyeom, spicy stir-fried squid, and I looked at her with disdain as I declared, this is disgusting. The next day for dinner, she made me a cheeseburger. I promptly told her it tasted inauthentic and made her drive me to McDonald's. Oh, and no more special snacks either, unless they were artificially flavored and made by Kraft. I was a heinous child. Sorry, Mom. Which detail from the paragraph above best develops the idea that Kim rejected his Korean identity? He requested pizza. He requested Kraft snacks. He rejected a cheeseburger. He rejected ojing ubakam. Question 14. Which statement best describes the relationship between Kim's experience on girls and his view of Asian identities in the American media? Kim realized that he never expected the opportunity to appear on a show like Girls because of his American Asian identity. The positive feedback that Kim received for his presence on Girls made him more aware of the shocking lack of Asian American representation in media. Kim was shocked by the attention that he received as an Asian American actor because there were so many Asian American performers in the media. The attention that Kim received for his presence on Girls caused other Asian American actors to begin speaking out about unfair treatment they have faced in the media. Question 15. In the future, Kim wants America to ignore differences between actors, to be more inclusive and embrace diversity, to prioritize hiring Asian Americans in media, or to teach its students more about Asian cultures. Please finalize your answers to questions 11 through 15, and that will conclude your Unit 3 test. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your LAC 2 teacher and have them answered.